plagiarize means to copy someone else's work and present it as your own. Example: if you plagiarize your essay, you might get into serious trouble. Delegate means to assign tasks to others. Example: a good leader knows how to delegate responsibilities. Confide means to share something personal or secret with someone you trust. Example: she confided in her best friend about her problems. Deflect means to change the direction of something or avoid it. Example: he deflected the tough question by changing the topic. Contradict means to say the opposite of what someone else said. Example: he contradicted her statement by providing evidence. Anticipate means to expect something to happen. Example: I anticipated rain, so I brought an umbrella. Elaborate means to explain something in detail. Example: can you elaborate on your idea? Persist means to keep going, even when it's hard. Example: she persisted in her studies and finally passed the exam. Proclaim means to announce something officially or publicly. Example: he proclaimed his love for her in front of everyone. Distort means to twist something out of its original shape or meaning. Example: the media distorted the facts in the story. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.